Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. If you think that the content of my channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them and leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! This time, let me congratulate to the top 5 math enthusiasts during the second math battle live held on September 26, 2020 in my YouTube channel. Rank 1, Clarence Rasul II. Rank 2, Arshad Zaid II El Hajirul. Rank 3, MJ Tan. Rank 4, Sophia Nicole I. Aranjuis. And rank 5, Oliver Concepcion. Once again, congratulations to all of you, and I hope that you will continue participating in the math battle every Saturday at 7 in the evening. Thank you! In this video, I am going to discuss how to solve the first math puzzle given on the video uploaded a week ago. So this is our puzzle. 2 plus 5 equals 12, 3 plus 6 equals 21, 4 plus 7 equals 32, 9 plus 12 equals blank. In our first solution, we are going to identify first the pattern, and after that, we are going to come up with a rule. So let us say the first column of numbers 2, 3, 4, 9, they are A. And in the second column, 5, 6, 7, 12, they are B. And the third column of numbers, we have C. Now, for us to get the C in 9 plus 12, let us identify first the pattern. If we look at the first column, which is A, 2, 3, 4, but the 5, 6, 7, and 8 are not anymore included. If we are going to include them, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then in our second column of numbers, we have 5, 6, 7, then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have the operation, which is addition. So it's equal to, here it's 12. If we look at the column C, the first number there is 12. So how do we get 12 using A and B? So we can get 12 by adding A plus the product of A and B. So how do we get that? So 2 plus 2 times 5, which is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So, meaning to say, this is our rule for us to get the C. We are going to add A to the product of A and B. So, the product of 3 and 6 is 18 plus the 3 is 21. That's why the second number in column C is 21. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 4 is 32. So here, 5 times 8 is 40 plus the 5 is 45. And here, 6 times 9 is 54 plus 6 is 60. Next is 7 times 10 is 70 plus 7 is 77. 8 times 11 is 88 plus 8 is 96. And then finally, 9 times 12 is 108 plus 9, you have 117. So therefore, our answer is 117. Now, let us use another way to solve it. In our solution number 2, we will be using addition. In here, we are going to continuously add the numbers. We have also to identify the pattern. So we have the first column, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then we have also that second column. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we have addition as our operation. Then the first number here is 12. Now, we know that before this 2, we have 1. And before this 5, we have 4. So when we add these 2, 1 plus 4 will give us 5. Plus 2 is 7. Plus 5, it's 12. That's why we have 12. Now, to get the next number, which is 21, we will just simply add 12 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 plus 12 will give us 21. Next, 21 plus the sum of 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 21 will give us 32. Next, 32 plus the sum of 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 plus 32, you have 45. Next, 45 plus the sum of 6 and 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 45, so you have 60. Next, 60 plus the sum of 7 and 10. 7 plus 10 is 17 plus 60, so you have 77. Next, 77 plus the sum of 8 and 11. 8 plus 11 is 19 plus 77, so you have 96. Then finally, 96 will be added to the sum of 9 and 12. 9 plus 12 is 21 plus the 96, so we have 117. That's why our answer is 117. So in other words, whether we will use our first solution or the second solution, we have the same answer of 117. So therefore, our final answer is 117. Now, congratulations to the following viewers who answered the given math puzzle correctly. And they are the following: Shamara Hana Aborod, Emmanuel S. Enriquez, Edric Talosig, Jivan Mishaal Aborod, Justin Feria, and Clarence Rasul II. So congratulations for answering the given math puzzle correctly. Once again, congratulations to all of you. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you!